Sir, I advise you step out of your fucking vehicle or else we will blow your ass into teeny tiny pieces. You and what goddamn army?
How about them? You smell like big bad person.
Oh shit! My god, why are there so many of them? They have bombs now? Yeah, and if yous don't want to get blown up, yous gonna tell us why birds stay up in the air. Well, that sounds a bit weird, but okay. Dee, it's a Saturday. No time for your useless comments. I fucking hate those boys so much. Observe this pigeon fly and take notes. Ah, yes, at the park at last. Why did I agree to come with this asshole? I don't have a piano. Here's our essay on why birds fly. Thank you. I put explosives in their papers. Alright, now we can take this back to our boss. Boom!